In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-link items in Monday.com. We'll walk through building a simple automation that organizes new items the moment they're created, which is the foundation for any auto-linking or structured item management workflow. Start on the home page of your Monday account. From here, head into your workspaces so you can get to the exact place where your items live. Choose the workspace and open the specific board where you want this automation to run. It's important to be on the correct board because automations are scoped to the board you're currently viewing. At the top of the board, click Automate. That opens the Automation Center where you can either browse by category or use the search bar to jump straight to what you need. Browsing is great if you're exploring options. Searching is perfect when you already have a goal in mind. Keywords like link, move, or item can help you quickly see relevant recipes. For full control, select Create from Scratch. This opens the sentence-style recipe builder where you define a trigger and an action. Click the part that says when this happens. From the list of triggers, choose Item Created. This means the rule will fire every time a new item is added to the board, no matter who creates it or where it comes from. Next, set the action. Choose Move Item to Group. Groups are the colored sections on your board. Think categories like incoming, backlog, or ready. Moving new items into a specific group keeps your board clean and sets you up for more advanced linking later. Click the group placeholder and then pick the exact group you want from the list. Choose the one that represents the destination for newly created items, so your workflow is consistent. You should now see a clear, readable sentence that reflects your rule. When an item is created, move it to the group you selected. That's the core of the automation done. From here, the board will automatically route new items into the right place as soon as they appear, making it easier to apply link-related logic or build on this structure with additional rules later. A couple of best practices to keep in mind. Keep trigger conditions simple when you're starting out. Confirm that everyone who needs this has access to the board and groups you're using, and make sure your group names are clear so the destination is unambiguous. With this setup in place, you've created a reliable workflow that handles new items instantly and prepares your board for seamless auto-linking and scaling.